Today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways to make money over on Instagram, and I'm also going to share with you 3 different methods. Now here's the cool thing about this, all of these methods are absolutely free to get started with, and I'll just basically walk you through everything step by step. So if you do find the video useful, please give it a like, I'd really appreciate that. So let's go onto Instagram and I'll show you how this method works right now. So I was doing a bit of research for a blog article and I came across this account here, and there's hundreds of these whereby basically they just create an account on Instagram and they're promoting and sharing all of these different things that you can see on the screen, basically whereby people can get freebies. Now here's the cool thing about this method, you can actually earn money sharing these different freebies. And you might be wondering how can you make money from promoting something that's free? Well, this is a website called Max Bounty, and this is just one. You can just go on Google and type in CPA network and you'll find hundreds of these. So CPA stands for cost per acquisition. Now at the top here I've just typed in the keyword free. Now if I scroll down here you can see this is page 1 of 5, and you can see on here there's lots and lots on here. So look at this, win a MacBook. Come down here, samples and savings. Look, Bath and Body Works, and you can go through here. Look, there's hundreds of these. An Amazon gift card. I mean, look at that, Amazon gift card. Come further on the page here, we've got cell phones. We've got free. There's lots on here basically. But how this method works is, let me just go into any of these. So let's just go and click on. I mean, look, win a McDonald's voucher. But let's just click on this one. Let's go on this one as an example. Okay. So what is this? Someone here can win a McDonald's voucher. If I scroll down here, you can see, look at this, $2 per lead. So somebody, the company of this, the owner of this company who are running this promotion here, they will pay you $2 per lead. Now what does per lead mean? So basically it says here, completed on form submit. So once someone's come on here and put in their name, email and submitted this, you'll be paid $2 per lead. And here's the cool thing, in this example, this campaign does not have a daily cap. So you can send as much traffic to this page here and they will pay you $2 for every single lead. If I then scroll down the page here, look, win a MacBook, we've got UK, and as you can see here, this works in any country. So if I come further on the page as well, look, win a Ryanair gift card. So the first method is you could create a page like this whereby you're just posting and sharing these different freebies. And by the way, it's not just on platforms like Max Bounty where you can find these, you can also find them over on ClickBank. So you can see this one here, give away $218 worth of self-growing freebies and make money. So you're giving away something, and then within that funnel here you can see at some point there we'll see an offer with 250 self-improvement products, and you can earn money that way. Another way this method works is if I type in free plus shipping, again you can find lots of free stuff on here. So scroll down the page here and basically it will tell you, whatever the product is. So look, free plus shipping, what is that? Something about manifestation. But again, this is just another example. You can go on here and you can see this is page 1 of many. So you find a product, and in this example you'd find hundreds of these like so, and then you'd create a page on Instagram whereby you simply sharing that link, and you can see on here you get paid pretty well for sharing these. I mean, look at this here, win £1,000 Visa gift card, and you get paid $1.60 per lead for doing so. So that's one way you can make money on Instagram, is going down this route. Now I've just had another idea, as we saw. Where's that one gone? I've just seen it. This one here, get a Ryanair gift card. So let's say you went into the travel niche and you were sharing photos and images, and by the way, you don't have to be traveling yourself, you can just get free stock images and start sharing those images. So what will happen here is you can build up a page on Instagram, in travel, as an example. Travel freebie. I'm just going to type this in. Oh no, look, travel freebies. Freebird travels, travel freebies. Let's have a look at this here, look. I love to travel, I mean, this one here, they're not putting any links in, but you could literally share images like this, and then once you start to get some interactions on your post, you could say, hey, guess what? I've partnered up with Ryanair. They're giving me this opportunity whereby you can win a £500 gift card. All you've got to do is click the link in the bio and you send them over here and you can earn this amount of money for everybody who submits an email. So comment down below, do you think this is a hard method to make money? I personally don't. It doesn't take a lot of time to, set all of this up. Instagram is free. You can go over to ClickBank for free. You can go onto Max Bounty for free. And hundreds of these platforms are absolutely free to sign up with. And then we start sharing content. The other thing you can do is whereby you go a bit more specific, whereby you go into a certain category or niche. And we've spoken about this in the past, whether you to go into something like woodworking or training dogs or brain training for dogs or anything like that. You can find products, especially over on ClickBank here. So if we just type in woodworking and scroll down here, you can see, look, these are all other products whereby you can promote them. Now, the difference here is, over on ClickBank, like if I was to promote this product in woodworking, you can see the conversion is $58.07. So you get paid a lot more upfront as opposed to this method over here with CPA marketing. But you're going to see more, you're going to get more results in this one over here because someone's just having to put in their name and email, whereby if you was promoting this product like this one over here, you would actually have to get them to buy the product. So you can earn more upfront, but it will take more, more convincing and following up with them to buy this product instead of submitting a name and email. Now, if we come over here, we're just going to do this. We're just going to type in woodworking plans, because I know someone will be doing this. Look, woodwork planning, all of these on here. So let's go on to this one, and we'll have a look at this account here. Oh, they've only done 4 posts and they've got 147 followers for these woodworking plans. And I know for a fact that this over here, you can see on here, look, it's a wood. It says Ted Woodworking. So this is the exact same product over on ClickBank. So in that example, they decided on a niche, they find products around that niche, and then they're just sharing simple images. Okay, another one, and I've shared this again, I've shared this in the past. If I scroll down here, look, brain training for dogs. It's that there, again, is a ClickBank product. So they've gone very niche with this. And is it hard to get an image like this or these? No, just go on a free stock site, or you can even create these yourself. And like there, they've just downloaded that video from TikTok. And then they're directing all of the traffic here, which is sending them over to this product over on ClickBank, okay? So that's 2 different methods. You can go with the specific niche and finding products like this one over here. You could also go down the CPA route, whereby you're finding, freebies and giving them away. A few more things that you could do is, let's say we found, let me come out there. Let's say we found this product over here, this woodworking product, and we want to promote it. Now, if you've got some money, you could actually buy a shout out from a larger account, which basically means you put a post on Instagram, or you can just send them this link. They will share that with their audience and they will use your affiliate link, okay? So there's a website here and it's called shoutouts.com. Now, on here, you register for free, and basically all you're doing is you're buying a shout out from people in a certain category or a certain niche, and it will show you the number of followers and it will show you how much they will charge you for doing that shout out as well. So you can come on here and filter this via categories, and it will tell you everything that's included in here. I mean, they also have this on TikTok as well and YouTube, but because we're talking about Instagram, this is what we're looking at here. So you can come up here and you can click on browse influence. I can't even speak today. Browse influencers, and on the left hand side you can filter this via categories, and then you get a snapshot of how many followers they've got, how much they will charge you, and you can go down this route. The final way you can make money on Instagram, which is again an easy method, is you can build up an Instagram account and then you can flip it on a website like FameSwap. Now you can even come on here, and you can see this one here, it's $110. It's currently got 12,200 followers. What you can do, and I know someone personally who did this, you can buy an account, you can then start posting 3 or 4 images a day and then build this up. Once you build it up, you can then flip it as well. And again, it just takes a little bit of time and effort because, going and finding free images on stock sites, it's not hard or difficult in any way, shape or form. All you need to do is make sure you post in consistency, using the correct hashtags. And in terms of hashtags, you can use this website over here. So it's called All Hashtag. If you come on here, it will give you the correct hashtags to use in your post. So look, generate easy and fast hashtags for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Insert a word to generate. So if we was going with, let's just say, woodworking down here, and we click on the top hashtags for that, click on generate, and then we wait a second, and then we scroll down, and now look, we've got the 30 best woodworking hashtags. All of them there. If you go further on the page here, you can get similar hashtags, keywords which are like woodworking, and lots more. And again, this website is absolutely free. So look, that's today's video. So what do you think of this method for making money on Instagram? Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? Do you think it's easy? Personally, I think it's ridiculously easy and it's free. So look, if you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.